Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. PMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
Hadian berada War School ki khynnah puli jang school Pynbha School Shillong ki plami pynbha na po ki klas shabar jang kamra klas na du ki klas 9 pat 12 menta kasi palai pratrek nai lor aja afwa ki te ki khynnah puli ki kran ki la pathai khubor ben pesngau ha ki tendang skor ko sarkar pan bo ya ki jing kerpa da khamat bakan phai khamat ki jing nawa jo ka de ko school kam tam ha ka bay de ba jing bin byang ni ki jaka leit shabar ta na ka daw ka jing bom tanเป็นขวดกับวันแรกจิงสมากับบัชรไข่ขนังวันแรกจิงขวดจิงสุบาบัดหักก้อยเคียกระดาวารุบักกันเป็นพายกิคลาสรูมกิบลาจัดระไทยคำตามหักอายมลิยลบุญสลับวันบัดเจ้าฮับปุกิกำลังคลาสปัจจุบันเป็นพายกับไลบรารีอ้อมตั้งกิตาเรย์บารอกัดกลมกับจิงดังคำกับสกุล
We would like for there to be better facilities in our school, better toilets, a library, and many other facilities that we will make known later. But as for today, we stand here, the senior representatives of class 12 and class 9, 10 and 11 of Pynbha School. We stand here today, we would like to say, please heed our request. There's already been an investigation committee prior. We have not seen the results. We would like for there to be a change in Pynbha. We would like to see changes. Our girls have suffered long enough. We would like for there to be a change. We also request the help of the parents. Please help us. This is our solemn request to the government. Please, Sir Conrad Sangma and the other ministers who are watching, and the rest of the government as well. Please heed our request, sir. Please watch. We are the students of Pynbha School on behalf of KG to class 12. We are requesting, please look into the grievances that have been committed against our school. Please look into the facilities that we do not have, that we are supposed to possess, that we are as citizens of India, as minors of the state and as young girls entitled to. They are our educational rights. So please, we hope that you will heed our request at the earliest possible. Better facilities such as the toilets. We would like for the toilets to be better furnished. There should be there should be clear water supply. No shortages of water at any point of time. The labs, the equipment in the labs, they should be up to date. Better classrooms, better fans, because it's quite stuffy. We want fans in our classroom, AC. We should have smart classes. The computers in the computer lab are quite outdated. We would like for those to be updated as well. We would like for there to be a proper drainage system in our school, because there's flooding. There are many more grievances, of course, but we cannot list them all here. So we will make known this later. It is because of the lack of space and the very large population of Pynbha girls that we have now. So that is true.
As of now, how many classes are which has leaked water leak? How many classrooms?
A large number of classrooms, especially the ones in the old Assam type building, especially in this.
Can you say maybe roughly how many?
We're not very sure of the number, but there are many. Even our new hall is leaking. The auditorium is not in use. The field we cannot use, obviously, maybe right now under construction, but there have been a lack of extracurricular activities. We have promised the girls that there will be extracurricular activities. It's not only that we aim for academic excellence, but we also aim for the all-round development of the girls. So we hope that, maybe with this, we're not only achieving better tools for academic excellence, but also so that the girls get a chance not only in education, but through sports, through the theatrics, through the performing arts, a lot more.
Also, we've seen that there are weeds all around the toilets. So does that mean there's nobody who's cleaning, or the principal doesn't keep anybody to look after all those weeds? Clean them or maybe?
The cleaners are there, but unfortunately we do not know why they are not cleaning. So we are not really, we do not really have the authority to tell the people to remind the people of their duties, to remind the people of what they have to do, because we're young people and it might be considered quite insulting sometimes. So we would like to say that also. It's quite difficult for us to say, because not only us but the teachers also, it's very difficult for them to speak to the people who are doing these jobs, because they respond quite aggressively.
Do they come regularly, the cleaners?
Yes, they do.
But they do not.
Not up to our standard. Yes.
From which class to which class?
From classes 4 to class 9.
Fourth class. What about the toilets of upper primary?
10, 11, 12. They are quite alright, but sometimes we have missing locks. We cannot lock the toilets sometimes, and it's a very big thing, especially in a girls' school where privacy is the topmost priority. We would like that. Then there's a very short supply of water sometimes also. Sometimes in the labs, the water is not clean. We do not have drinking water. We do not have continuous water supply in the toilets as well. So we would like that to be addressed. We would like that to be fixed.
Are there other issues apart from whatever you have done? Maybe minor issues?
Minor issues, yes. We would like for there to be a library. The girls are paying library fees, they're paying development fees, but we are not seeing that turn into anything. Our school does not have a proper library. Our auditorium, it has been built since 2016, if I'm not mistaken. 2016. Up till now, never has there once been an occasion where we have used our auditorium. Our field has just recently gone into construction, but up until now there has been no incident where we have used our fields. We have not organized inter-school activities up until now. Pynbha has really suffered in that sphere. We do not participate in any more inter-school competitions, nothing. So we're really lacking, and our girls are really missing out on a lot of it. For there to be more facilities to provide girls more outlet than just inside the books. Perhaps more sports facilities, more music facilities. Give the girls a little chance to know that there is more than just being a teacher, being a professor, being a doctor, being an engineer. There is so much more that the girls can achieve.
So are you saying there's no extracurricular?
Yes, there have not been.
Only studies?
Yes.
How long has this been going on?
7 years.
7 years. So 7 years you keep on complaining to your teachers about it?
Yes. There have been instances before where people have come from outside. So the PTA has also, I think once upon a time they had come to survey the school toilets, but there was action taken against them. But towards the end of the day, we still did not get to see the changes that we wanted to see. All we got in return was, I think, just a few toilets that were inaugurated during our sports event. That also was not inter-school. It was just among our girls. So we are really hoping that whoever's listening behind the camera, especially the government, please heed our grievances. Please listen. The girls are really suffering out here. We are really under threat of so much more than just lacking facilities, and more so it's a health concern also. The girls, they refuse to use the toilets also, so it's really a big thing. Not only that, the fans in class, we need ACs, we need fans, because in case the girls are going through any sort of medical emergency, we can turn them on at any moment. As you know, there's been a lot of climate change recently. Shillong's temperature has gone up by a large margin. The girls inside the classrooms are feeling stuffy. They'll faint, heat strokes.
Anyway,